Hello, today I'll show you how to add icons on iOS 14, iPhone 12. Just any icons you can. I have downloaded that pack from online, so you can see some most icons in neon. So normally you can Google it for any other packs free of charge, or just use this one. I'll add this pack later. First you need to download, yeah? So normally you go to internet and download. I'll add a link to description, so it will be easier. So after downloading, go to shortcuts, press select plus on the right top corner, press add action, open app and search. Yeah, press open app. You can see now you should choose to open, choose like WhatsApp. I believe it should be WhatsApp anyway. We'll see. Press name, WhatsApp, press done, press triple dot again, home screen, press on icon on the bottom where is home screen, name and icon, press on icon, choose file, press choose file. Oh, we don't have WhatsApp. Yes, we don't have WhatsApp icon here in this pack. So, whatever. Let's just on for showing will be, I think, easier to cancel. Then let's change to I don't know, to like find my, for example, so it should be anyway. So find my, then press triple dot, press on icons, choose file, find, yeah, we have, as you can see, press add, press done. So you can see we have this new icon, find my. Let's check all works. Everything opens, so enjoy, have a good day.